a quick video of the inside of my barn door, and I specifically chose the E350 with barn doors instead of sliding doors because you can get a little more storage out of them. But I added this handle here to get in and out. They just screwed right into there with self-tapping screws, easy peasy. And then I have the piping right here for a handle. We cut out a piece of 1/4 inch ply. It's all metal behind here, so this is solid. Cut out the hole for the speaker. And then on the inside, I used that speaker box material, the same stuff that I used for the ceiling inside the van. You got your first aid, tire puncture kit, a leveler, the Noco boost in case anybody needs a boost. It's right here always. Tire pressure gauge. You got fix-a-flat in here, first aid, and then you got room in here. Put my gloves, extra serpentine belt, the cables for this guy, and then some extra fuses down in there. And you can fit more stuff down in there, but don't want it too cluttered. So that's what that looks like. And I'm thinking about adding this right here. It has the little mounting bracket, so I could just put this right here, and if I close the door, it will fit right above the step here. So we got some fixings to do while we're in this spot, and this is super glued, super adhesive against the back, and behind this I have some Reflectix for insulation, but that works pretty good. You could put whatever you want in there as long as it's light enough for Velcro. Like everything here is just on Velcro. So you get strips of Velcro and they'll just stick right on there. Even if the door slams, it's good. But that's my little storage video for the day. Leave in the comments what you'd put in there or how you'd change it. I was thinking about even here some kind of cargo net just to carry a little more stuff. But if I put this here, I'll have a shorter cargo net going across, and that might work. Yeah, like, subscribe, do the thing, and do the thing.